Hi guys, welcome to HGY new classes. Today I will show you how to blow a LED bulb using breadboard. So let us start it. We need jumper wires, 2 breadboard, LED bulb and 1 resistor and 9-volt battery. So as you can see in the figure, you have to construct the LED circuit first. So I am fixing the resistor to the breadboard. So as you can see here, it is a resistor. So next step is we have to connect the bulb like anode, cathode, etc. So the bigger one is anode and smaller is cathode. So I have connected the bulbs, as you can see here, red, orange and green, and 1 resistor. Next we have to connect the power supply. I have taken 9 volts battery for current supply. So red wire is anode, black wire is cathode. So I am connecting the power supply. As you can see here, I connected the wires to the last column. So we have to connect the power supply to the LED bulb. So I am using the jumper wires to connect. I am connecting the negative to the negative and positive wire to the positive. As you can see here, I am connecting the positive wire to the positive and negative to the negative. So the black is cathode and red wire is anode. So the black connection, that is cathode to the cathode. You have to give anode to the bulb side and cathode to the one end of the resistor. As you can see, the bulb is glowing. So the connection is correct. Let us do some complex method. Taking wires. So I am connecting to the third row. So I am joining the wire to the third row. From the third row, we have to connect the 2 wires, that is, we have to join the cathode wires and anode wires. So I am connecting the cathode wires and anode wires together. I am connecting. So as you can see, the bulb is glowing. You can see the bulb is glowing, so the circuit is correct. So let us do complex connection using the another small breadboard. So I am taking the wires. I have another breadboard. I am connecting the negative wires, that is anode wires and cathode wires. So I am joining the cathode now. As you can see, from jumping wire I am connecting so I have joined the negative wires and positive wires. The positive wires to the LED side and negative to the resistor side. So the bulb is glowing. If you like my video, press like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.